We're at the HRE Open House. They're one of Mother's partners. We came out to support them and also educate people on how to use our product. HRE rims are aluminum, and so they definitely need to make sure they look amazing when they get delivered to their customers. So one of the final steps is to polish them with our magnet aluminum polish.
After powder coating and everything, we're doing final, polishing and prepping parts a little bit. So we're using Mothers for that final stage before final QC and it goes in the box. I think the quality of our partners says something about the way we approach relationships. We like to have partners, true friends, right? And so partners like Mothers, we've been partners with them for years. Our brand is about trust and integrity, and it's the same thing with Mothers. We know what we're going to get. We know we can trust it.